To connect Trading 212 to Tradingview, you will need to follow a series of steps that will allow you to integrate these two platforms and enhance your trading experience. First, you need to create an account on both Trading 212 and Tradingview if you haven't already. Once you have your accounts set up, log into your Tradingview account and navigate to the paper trading or live trading section, depending on your preference. From there, click on the Brokers option and search for Trading 212. You will then be prompted to enter your Trading 212 credentials to authorize the connection. After entering your credentials, you will be redirected to the Trading 212 website, where you will need to confirm the connection by clicking on the Authorize button. This step is crucial as it allows Tradingview to access your Trading 212 account. Once the connection is established, you can start using Tradingview's technical analysis tools and features to inform your trading decisions on Trading 212. You can create alerts, set up charts, and use indicators to analyze the markets and make more informed decisions. It is essential to note that you should only connect your accounts if you are comfortable with the risks involved in trading and if you have a clear understanding of how both platforms work. It is also crucial to keep your account credentials safe and secure to avoid any potential security breaches. In conclusion, connecting Trading 212 to Tradingview can be a great way to enhance your trading experience, but it requires careful consideration and a clear understanding of the process involved. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can unlock the full potential of both platforms and take your trading to the next level.